what's up y'all? It's your girl Aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do one of my favorite things, which is a unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. So yeah, I'm doing an unboxing video and it's for sneakers. I'm actually wearing sneakers right now. I'm wearing the Flints. I'm super excited. I actually just got these Flints. I actually used to have a pair like back in the day. One of my friends from school like gave me his pair, but then they like deteriorated, so I needed a new pair. So I got these from what's it called? Politics over in Deep Ellum. So, and I love them. They're cool. They're nice. But yeah. Okay. And I love Deep Ellum. Deep Ellum's like one of my favorite places to go party. But yeah, anyways, okay, let's get into this unboxing video. It is the Aleali Jordans. So Aleali is a model slash like influencer, and she's done a couple of collabs with Nike. She's done like Jordans, Jordan 1s, and most recently I think she did like 12 or 13. It was like this jade marble like colorway with cream. But yeah, she's done a couple of collabs with Nike, and I just think she's so dope. So yeah, I had to get these shoes. I'm super excited. I got them from StockX because per usual I was late for the actual drop, so I had to get them off StockX. Luckily they weren't too overpriced with the reselling, so yeah, I'm really excited. But yeah, these are the women's Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort in the color Hyper Royal Pine Green. So can't wait to unbox this because I've been wanting these. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ooh, this paper's cool. It's like stuck to the box. I'm obsessed with this paper. It's got like a logo with her name and like Jordan. Oh my gosh. It comes with yellow shoestrings and tan. Wow. So here are the sneakers. I'm obsessed. Every time I get shoes from StockX, the toe box is always fucked up. I'm pissed. That makes me mad. It's always messed up every time. Like even when I got my Bapes, the toe box was messed up. But sticking the paper in there a little bit better makes it look good. I love this color because I live in Dallas, so like the Mavericks, it's definitely like their color, like the Cowboys and like the Rangers if I ever go to their game. I didn't even know the sole was yellow. That's so cute. I love these. I'm excited. I need to wear them. Sorry, my dog is barking. I love this colorway. It's this gorgeous royal blue and this like Kelly green. And like the Jordan logo kind of has like the type of material that a varsity jacket would have, like with the lettering, which is cool. I love that. And then the ankle as well as the swoosh kind of has like this satin color, like the shattered backboard Jordans. I really wanted those in the orange. version, not the regular version, but yeah. I love these. They're so cool. And I got them in a 9.5. These are women's, so yeah, I can't wait to try them on. I'm gonna do it on feet so y'all can see how they look on me. But yeah, I'm excited. They're so cute. So yeah, I'm really happy I got them. So let me go ahead and try these on so y'all can see how they look on me. So this is how they look on feet. They're so comfortable. Like, it's cushioned all throughout the shoe. From the tongue, from the inside, they're super comfy. I love them. I love how it has like, it's very detailed oriented. So it has like the A on the tongue. It also has like her little signature on the back where the heel is. And then, like I said, the little Jordan logo has this like varsity type material on it. But these are so comfortable. I love them. But yeah. This is how they look on. It feels like I'm walking on a cloud. They're so comfortable. They're so cushiony. If you guys want to see me do another unboxing video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. But to be honest with you, even if you don't give me a thumbs up, I'm still going to do an unboxing video because it's one of my favorite things. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.